The U.S. Air Force's F-15E Strike Eagle and F-15EX Eagle II fighter jets will be further strengthened with the planned integration of the AGM-158C Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile LRASM. This missile is known for its advanced stealth capabilities. The addition of LRASM on the F-15E and F-15EX is expected to give the Air Force a strategic advantage against enemy warships, especially in high-level combat scenarios in the Pacific region, potentially involving China in the future. The U.S. Naval Air Systems Command, NAVAIR, recently revealed its plans to enter into an exclusive contract with Lockheed Martin, the primary manufacturer of the LRASM, to integrate the AGM-158C-1 variant into the F-15E and F-15EX. The LRASM itself is managed by the Navy in cross-military cooperation. The AGM-158C-1 is the latest variant currently in production, while a longer-range version, the AGM-158C-3, capable of reaching distances of up to 600 miles, is under development. To date, the LRASM has been used by the Navy's F/A-18EF Super Hornet fighter and the Air Force's B-1 bomber. Integration efforts are also underway on the P-8 Poseidon Maritime Patrol aircraft and several variants of the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter stealth fighter. Integrating the AGM-158C into the F-15E and F-15EX is considered a logical step. So far, the F-15E has used the Harpoon missile, although it has a shorter range and is not stealthy. In addition, the Strike Eagle is already designed to carry the AGM-158 Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, which is a direct derivative of the LRASM. In fact, the F-15EX has proven its ability to use JASSM missiles in various trials. The main advantage of the F-15E and F-15EX lies in their large payload capacity. In previous tests, a single F-15E was able to carry up to 5 JASSM missiles at a time, which have a similar physical design to the LRASM. This capability will provide the U.S. Air Force with significant operational flexibility in dealing with future maritime threats. In addition to their large payload capacity, the F-15E and F-15EX's ability to transport and launch long-range missiles, such as the AGM-158C LRASM, makes them highly effective platforms for long-range combat operations. LRASM missiles are designed to detect and attack enemy ships autonomously, utilizing advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence-based guidance and stealth capabilities that make them difficult to detect by modern air defense systems. With the integration of LRASM, the F-15E and F-15EX not only extend their strike range, but also increase strike power against maritime targets, which was previously more limited to platforms such as the B-1B Lancer and F/A-18 Super Hornet. This allows the U.S. Air Force to have more strategic options in dealing with potential threats at sea, especially in highly contested areas such as the South China Sea. The move also demonstrates the increased operational flexibility of the U.S. Air Force in the face of modern warfare challenges, where dominance at sea is becoming increasingly important. With the combination of advanced missile technology and superior capabilities of the F-15E and F-15EX, the U.S. strengthens its position in maintaining air and maritime supremacy, while posing a greater threat to enemy warships. With the integration of LRASM, the F-15E Strike Eagle and F-15EX Eagle II will have the ability to operate more effectively in multidimensional conflict scenarios. These missiles can engage targets with high precision, even in complex electronic warfare environments. This capability provides a significant advantage in modern combat, where electronic warfare and radar evasion are major factors in mission success. One of the exciting aspects of this development is the flexibility offered by the LRASM in dealing with a variety of threats. In addition to being used against large warships, the missile can also attack support vessels and other small maritime targets with equal efficiency. This allows for more diverse operations, both to stop enemy fleets and disrupt their maritime logistics. The ability to carry multiple missiles at once on the F-15E and F-15EX provides a much greater strike capacity than other aircraft. This allows simultaneous attacks against multiple targets, creating significant operational pressure on the opponent. In a conflict scenario in the Pacific region, where a potential adversary such as China has a large and growing navy, this capability becomes invaluable. In addition, LRASM integration also expands collaboration between branches of the U.S. military. With the Navy managing the LRASM program and the Air Force operating the F-15E and F-15EX platforms, this integration demonstrates how both branches can work together to achieve strategic advantage. This is in line with the integrated approach that the U.S. military is increasingly prioritizing in the face of complex global threats. Ultimately, the decision to integrate LRASM into the F-15E and F-15EX is not only about enhancing technical capabilities, but also a strategic move to maintain dominance in the Asia-Pacific region. With advanced technology and exceptional strike power, this combination of fighter jets and missiles will be a key component in the future defense strategy of the U.S., ensuring their readiness to deal with any form of threat that may arise.